French pastries are renowned for their delicate layers and rich flavors combined. Craftsmanship is key to creating these intricate baked goods every day. Butter is a crucial ingredient, adding depth to each pastry carefully made. Patience is required to laminate dough, a process that takes great skill. Layers of butter and dough are folded, creating a flaky, tender crust formed. French patisserie is an art form, with each piece a masterpiece to behold. Classic dishes like croissants and pain au chocolat are timeless favorites enjoyed. Fresh ingredients are essential to creating authentic French pastries daily. Skilled bakers carefully craft each item, ensuring perfection in every bite. Café culture is deeply rooted in French tradition, with pastries a big part. Flaky, buttery croissants are a staple in every French bakery and café setting. Savoring a warm, freshly baked pastry is a truly indulgent experience always. French patisserie is renowned for its delicate layers and rich flavors always. Every bite of a freshly baked pastry tells a story of tradition and craftsmanship. Butter layers are a crucial element in creating flaky, tender croissants and puff pastry. Patience is key when crafting French pastries, as each layer must be carefully rolled out. Café culture is deeply rooted in French society, where friends and family gather to share meals. Bistro classics, such as coq au vin and bouillabaisse, are staples in every French restaurant. Fresh ingredients, like farm-fresh eggs and heavy cream, are essential in French baking. French chefs take great pride in their craft, carefully plating each dish to perfection. Sauces, like béarnaise and hollandaise, add a rich, velvety texture to many bistro classics. French pastries and bistro classics are often served in quaint, charming restaurants and cafes. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the streets, enticing passers-by to enter. The combination of buttery flavors, delicate layers, and rich sauces creates a truly indulgent experience. French patisserie relies heavily on the art of sauce making to elevate dishes. Sauces like beurre blanc and hollandaise require patience and skill to prepare. Chefs carefully balance flavors to create rich, velvety textures and tastes. Fresh ingredients, such as eggs and butter, are essential to sauce making. In a French bistro, the smell of freshly baked croissants fills the air. Layers of buttery dough create a delicate, flaky texture in each pastry. Cooks carefully craft each dish, from bouillabaisse to tarte tatin, with precision. Sauces are often reduction-based, intensifying flavors through slow cooking. French chefs take great pride in their sauce-making traditions and techniques. The combination of sauces and baked goods creates a truly indulgent experience. Café culture in France revolves around enjoying these delicate pastries and sauces. Each bite of a French pastry or bistro classic tells a story of tradition and craftsmanship. French patisserie is renowned for its delicate layers and rich flavors combined. Each pastry is crafted with patience and dedication to traditional methods. Butter is a key ingredient in French pastries, adding flavor and texture instantly. Café culture in France is deeply rooted in enjoying these pastries with friends. Fresh ingredients are essential in creating the perfect French pastry experience. Chefs carefully select each component to ensure a harmonious balance of tastes. French bistro classics, like escargots and ratatouille, showcase the art of slow cooking. Sauces play a vital role in enhancing the flavors of these beloved dishes perfectly. The presentation of each dish is a testament to the craftsmanship of French chefs. From flaky croissants to intricate macarons, every pastry tells a story of tradition. The French art of living is reflected in the way people savor each bite slowly. Café life in France is a celebration of community, cuisine, and the joy of living. French patisserie requires patience and dedication to craft each delicate layer. Layers of butter and dough come together in a delicate balance of flavors. Traditional French pastries, like croissants, rely on precise temperature control. Skilled bakers carefully fold and roll the dough to create flaky textures. Fresh ingredients, such as farm-fresh eggs and cream, elevate each pastry. Café life in France celebrates the joy of slow, savory meals together. Rich sauces, like beurre blanc, complement the bold flavors of bistro classics. Each dish, from coq au vin to bouillabaisse, tells a story of regional tradition. French chefs meticulously plate each dish to create a visually stunning experience. The art of French patisserie is a testament to the power of craftsmanship and tradition. Every bite of a freshly baked French pastry is a taste of history and culture. The timeless allure of French pastries and bistro classics continues to inspire new generations. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.